Many people think snoring is just a small problem, but the truth is shocking. Chronic snoring can silently damage your heart. Doctors warn that when you snore, your oxygen levels drop. Your heart is forced to work harder, night after night under dangerous stress. Over time, this increases your risk of high blood pressure, arrhythmia, and even a fatal heart attack. And in severe cases, sleep apnea caused by snoring can lead to sudden death. So if you or someone you love snores regularly, don't ignore it. This could be the warning sign that saves a life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share your story in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, because in the next episode, I'll reveal simple ways to prevent snoring and protect your heart health.